Well, how on the children do this year? The Queen Quet coming to hunter from we Gullah Geechee gal at Gullah Roots. We so glad that the family come out this evening and things like that. And rather than just spend money, I get a few gifts and things like that. Now you see this year? TuGeech, como estas? Okay? On the children that Yeddi me to crack my teeth with and bout the Muskoggle. What did it? What we call the black Seminole when they did made for. But look right here in the shop. We got this your company called TuGeech. Now, I don't understand what they ask them. I know some 100 children want to say, hey, Geechee, you know you ain't none of we. But other rest of people who Gullah Geechee know who he to be. So, I gonna let these brothers introduce himself because he's the proprietors and the founders of TuGeech. Who you is, guys?
I'm Antonio Folks, co-owner of TuGeech Clothing Company.
There you go.
That's a partner right here.
Tristan Keith, co-owner of TuGeech Clothing Company.
So where y'all from?
I'm from downtown Charleston, born
I'm
and
from
raised.
down here.
Right down here.
Right down here.
We out here.
We out here.
We out here. TuGeech for truth now. Okay, so tell me about them. Now y'all just bring me this your gift right here. This the only color the shirt come in? Or y'all got plenty other colors?
We got different colors.
Different colors. And so tell me about this year. Because it look like we going fishing.
No, that's the port bass.
Port bass.
Charleston, South Carolina is known to be the port
city.
So this bass is part of our history.
Yes.
By the water, we eat from the water, we the water.
And the water to bring we and the water going to take we back.
Yes, ma'am.
So we so glad that see even in the symbols that we clothes and things like that, we got we story with they eat them. And just a dry long associate day on there, something like that, and all of that. And plenty of 100 children, y'all will come down here, y'all will go down to the port, y'all will go sailing, and all that sailing takes me away, right? So you have to come to the port city, the holy city, and catch a lead bass. That is TuGeech, all right? So that 100 children can make sure you rock this when you're going back, and then you can tell the people not just when you're now fun, okay, and physically, but where you get spiritually. So tell me, what made y'all decide to do the port bass as your symbol for the company?
The bass, because it's a representation of our culture and our history, we wanted to be more of a stamp. So when you see the fish, the bass, you know it represents the culture, how we went fishing. That's still the way, we still go fishing to this day. That's the source of way that we eat. And it's more about us. You know, they painted as the holy city, but we wanted to dig deeper in our roots and what our ancestors did to survive out here during the times that they had.
Excellent. So this almost a tribute to the mosquito fleet too. Because they've been out there to catch all these kind of things, the bass and all that. That for the N and R come round. Right. We've been out here in this creek and thing like that. So we ain't gonna stop there out there neither. Okay, so we got the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association. We know some of them boys and they see my shirt. Y'all can't teeth my shirt off my back now. Don't act up. Y'all gonna have to get with TuGeech. So how people can find y'all to get these?
It's www.tugeech.com.
Okay.
We on Facebook. We on Instagram. We didn't get to Twitter yet, but Snapchat, all that, man. Just type in TuGeech, Google it.
All right. And at the end of this tool like this here, TU, okay, Geech. So TuGeech, make sure that 100 children get on there. Get this. Don't get my black and red one now, because y'all just want the same thing, because I got them. Go and get a next color. Okay. Otherwise, I have to throw this one away and make them make one shirt just for me. No, I just messing with y'all. But for true, y'all get out there, get the shirt, man, rock the culture. But when you put something on your 100 body for truth, no way represent. Don't just throw them in your back, because it could be something negative. And see, this real positive. So don't think, say, oh, that's Shango colors, but wonder what they're doing with them and all that. They got plenty different colors. You can wear all different kind of colors and styles. Sisters, we can hook this up. We can rock this. Y'all know how we do. Y'all can get some cast net in them if y'all want to. Y'all cut them up and make them how it go. You know, and really rap how that bass will do. So for truth, this is a blessing right here. We definitely appreciate y'all coming out, supporting the Gullah Geechee Gala. But we will be supporting y'all, and 100 children, y'all can see them at some more we Gullah Geechee events coming up in the year. So keep following GullahGeecheeNation.com. Follow at Gullah Geechee on Twitter. See, Dan did it, but we all did it, because we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Peace and blessings, y'all. Remember, answer that question. TuGeech. All right, peace.
That was a good one.